Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in computer class. In today's class, we are going to learn about Marquee tag, and this is very important topic of your chapter number 8, okay? And also a very important tag of your HTML coding. And let's talk about the Marquee tag. The Marquee tag is basically moving tag which moves or scroll down your text or any kind of image in your web page. Okay, so here you can see that question number second answer. Okay, in HTML, Marquee tag is used to move or scroll text across an image or a web page. Okay, यहाँ पे आप अपने टेक्स्ट को स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो, इमेज को मूव कर सकते हो. दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू हाउ यू कैन चेंज इट्स डायरेक्शन एंड बिहेवियर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दीज आर द बेसिक थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ categories, or you can say that the properties of Marquee tag. And the first one is behavior. Behavior means it can scroll like a scroll or slide. Okay, you can change your properties according to your need. Okay, so whenever you applied scrolling, it means it scroll the text on your web page. And whenever you type the behavior slide, that's mean you slide the text across your web page. Okay, and the next one property or attribute is the direction, which means that from which side your text will be scrolled or your text will be slide. ओके, इसका मीनिंग है कि आपकी किस डायरेक्शन से आपका टेक्स्ट स्क्रॉल होगा या स्लाइड होगा, चाहे वो राइट डायरेक्शन से हो, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन से हो, या आपका जो लेफ्ट साइड से वहां से आपका जो टेक्स्ट जो है स्क्रॉल करता आता हो. उसके बाद स्क्रॉल डिले. स्क्रॉल डिले मीन्स कि आपका जो टेक्स्ट है वो कितने टाइम से स्क्रॉल हो, मतलब वो तेजी से स्क्रॉल हो जाए या उसको स्लो डाउन करने में दैट विल कंज्यूम सम टाइप ऑफ टाइम. ओके, so that depends upon the scroll delay property. Okay, so these are the basic important properties of your Marquee tag. Let's go to the notepad and do some practical work on that tag. Okay, so I have already write some of code. Okay, and here I am just putting a simple Marquee tag for your insert an image text. Okay, so here you can see a simple HTML body started and then go for the Marquee tag. Okay, and h1 body is created here, and this text will scroll on my web page. Just Control S, save it and go to my file. This is my file first page and I run it. Okay, so you can see that my text is now scrolling from the right side of the web page, and you can change from the left side by changing the property like the direction. Okay, you can do it by implementation of yourself. Okay, this is your practical work and you can do yourself and do improvisations and practical also. Okay, let me show you one thing must or. Okay, suppose I want to move this one picture. So how can I move that? Just simply changing my code, just like here's my Marquee tag is also, and I copy that code and image this one. This is my image. Okay, so I'm putting here Marquee tag on and this is my Marquee tag off. Okay, so I'm copying it and placing here. It means that this image will also move with the scrolling text. Let's Control S and save it and go to your web browser and refresh it, and you can see that the difference now, your web page is moving. Okay, your text and also your picture of image is also a moving. Okay, so that's the simply Marquee tag done your work on your web page. Okay, so that is the most important tag you have to learn about the Marquee tag, and its three properties, that is scroll delay, direction, and also the third one is about the behavior. Okay, behavior means scrolling or anything else. Okay, so let's move toward. So this is your question number second answer. From this one side I'm making for this one. Okay, so next is just like the forms. What are the forms? Just like whenever you fill some kind of online forms where you can suggest that this is one your first one option. Okay, you have to fill it their names. Second one, you have a female or a male, you have to select it out. Whenever you type of just simply like that कि आप जब भी गूगल फॉर्म फिल करते हो ना, जैसे गूगल फॉर्म पे आप कुछ अपने आंसर्स फिल करते हो, जैसे आप कोई एग्जाम दे रहे हो अपना, तो सबसे पहले आप क्या फिल करते हो, अपना नेम फिल करते हो, उसके बाद आपका रोल नंबर जो भी है, उसके बाद सेक्शन फिल करते हो. तो जस्ट लाइक वो फॉर्म आपका कैसे बना है. ओके, आप ये फॉर्म कैसे बना सकते हो, दैट ऑल्सो इज हेल्पफुल और वेरी इजी creating by HTML coding. Okay, So forms are interactive web designs with field, buttons, text boxes and other elements. Okay, form क्या होते हैं? आपके text button और boxes और other elements से बने होते हैं forms. Used for entering data. Yes, you can enter the data in your form. Any type of form you can enter the data. Container tags. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपके containers tag use होते हैं. Let's find out what kind of container tag is there. So you have to mark it. Okay, so this is one your fourth one answer. Start from this one. For that one is also correct here. And again start with this one here, and again from this one here. This is also a fourth one answer. ये सारा fourth one का आंसर है. Okay, so यहाँ से आप मार्क कर सकते हो. And this is your simple coding. You can do practical yourself. How you can do that? Just putting the simple code on your notepad and just save it as and run it. But basically you have to insert first of all HTML files, body file, that also important. Okay, so don't forget to include that files also. So here you can see that the form is interactive pages that I've already discussed about. Elements of form कौन से होते हैं? Elements of form text boxes होते हैं, radio box होते हैं, scrolling list होता है, उसके बाद पासवर्ड इनपुट कॉलम्स होते हैं. ऐसे आपका जो वेब पेज है वो आपका लुक लाइक करता है. ओके, सो आपका एक फॉर्म जो है वो आप ऐसे देख सकते हो. दिस वन इज योर लाइक ए फॉर्म. ओके, यहाँ पे आपने पासवर्ड फिल कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे आप चूज कर सकते हो मेल एंड फीमेल, एंड देन अगेन द चेक बॉक्सेस ऑफ योर वेब पेज. ओके, so that is very easy and important topic also, the form. Okay, so it's your homework, you can say that you can do by practical on your computer. Okay, just type that simple code on your notepad and don't forget to include HTML file also. Okay, HTML start, उसके बाद आपका आएगा head, उसके बाद title, उसके बाद body. Okay, and that also close from this one, this. Okay, so this is your practical work. I hope you got point about the chapter number 8. Thank you for today.